up, guys? So
What's coming up, guys?
what's coming up is the 2022 Silverado. But what's going on, guys? Junior here from Custom Offsets with Dusty, and we're here at Lift Your Truck Nationals. And if you didn't know, there's a new Silverado out, and we kind of couldn't miss the opportunity to watch the live reveal, check it out, and give our honest thoughts and feedback on it.
Yeah, we wanted to watch this like live, but both Jared and I were mobbing down the interstate at like 70 with trailers behind us.
Well,
so.
depending on if I was going uphill or not, I would be going 35, not 70.
That's fair. Either way, so yeah, I'm super excited. Obviously, they dropped the new Silverado refresh here for 2022 about 5 hours ago our time. So I'm pretty excited.
Let's get into it. I'm excited to see what it is.
All right, hit it. Okay, cool. So we got some trees.
One of the reasons I love this business, we're always on the move. The future of mobility.
Oh, there it was.
Yep, so there's the headlights.
Yo,
what is that? Did you see the thing on the suspension?
Yeah.
Constantly.
I don't know what it was.
I don't either.
We never stop
Kelly
looking
McDonald,
ahead to
Director
offer
of
every
Chevy Truck
customer a
Marketing.
truck with the look,
She's got it
features,
going on.
and price
She
point
knows
they
what's
need.
up.
In
Looks like a dentist.
2019, we introduced an all-new Silverado
so there they're
1500
introducing
the
lineup
19.
with an
Yeah.
expansive range of trim levels and
All the new
equipment options.
trim.
Looks the same as the
Since then, we've
Suburban,
added
which looks the same
special
as the
editions,
Camaro, which looks the
greater
same as
towing
everything else that they
capacity,
have.
an efficient
I want that trailer.
3.0-liter diesel engine,
With a little bit-
Silverado
so that's what
Baby
Johnny's got.
Duramax,
John's
yeah.
available
says, yep.
multi-flex tailgate,
Yeah,
and
the
a suite
tailgate,
of towing
That's super
technology
nice. The fact that you can just
Oh,
like.
And we're
shoot,
continuing to refresh our lineup and innovate
Okay,
based
but
on
that's
the
old
changing
news.
needs of today's
Correct.
truck customers.
So they need change.
We're going to show you Silverado's latest updates today.
So is this it?
The 22 Silverado
This
has
is
an
it.
enhanced exterior, a gutsy new version of the 2.7-liter turbo engine, and a new
What?
interior
So they're going
with
after
some
an
very
EcoBoost.
exciting technology, including available Super
What?
Cruise hands-free driver assistance technology. And in the
Okay,
spirit
that's kinda
of a
cool.
truck for every customer, we're adding to our highly successful lineup of factory-lifted trucks, bringing our total
So like the
lifted
RST.
pickup
Yep.
truck
No,
trim
RST is just a
options to
trim.
3.
Yeah, but
Currently,
that's
Chevrolet
not listed.
offers 2 factory-lifted trucks, the Custom Trail Boss and the LT Trail Boss. These
Trail
trucks,
Boss, that's
along
what
with
I
our
was-
popular
yeah, yep,
Z71
yep.
off-road
That's what I
package,
was thinking of.
cater to the growing consumer interest in lifted and off-road capable trucks.
So they're
at
like
an
dabbling
affordable
into the
price point.
TRX market almost
Yeah,
at the same
correct.
time.
Trail
Without
Boss
the
makes up
horsepower,
almost
of course.
30%
Yeah.
of our sales mix, while Z71 represents 30% more of our sales.
Damn.
This means that almost 60% of our sales
That's wild.
are
So 60% of the
off-road
sales
capable
is between
and the Custom and
um,
LT Trail Boss
the
rank
Trail
amongst
Boss
the
and the
highest
LT
in
Trail Boss,
attracting
which is
new
neat.
and younger buyers to
And Z71.
Chevrolet.
or Z71, excuse me, correct. The LT Trail Boss is the new one. That's what
And
you
it's
just
because
said.
of that popularity
here,
that
you're
we're
out of this.
adding to our factory-lifted trucks as part of our overall truck strategy. Plus, we've had so much success with Colorado ZR2.
I feel like I
Ooh.
haven't
at the
seen any
dealerships
Colorado
and on the
ZR2s.
races.
No, the
They're
ZR2
saying
slapped,
that-
dude.
Yeah, but I haven't seen any. And they're
You're a
saying that
liar.
it's
They're
amazing.
huge. So they're like the ZR2 community is huge in like Australia and stuff because they
Oh,
can get them
yeah,
with the little diesels.
sure, 'cause
and
that's
they love
huge.
them. It's huge. Whoa, 6.2 ZR2
Did it say 6.2
Enter the
liter?
2022
Silverado ZR2.
Chevy's
Let's
flagship
go.
off-road truck and the latest
With the
addition
6.2.
to our
Yeah.
factory-lifted
So that
truck
is
lineup.
your TRX, but still half the horsepower, I bet.
Oh, you know, it's
Let's see. Is it gonna be supercharged? That'd be nasty.
Since
That would be nasty.
2019, we've been competing with a version of the Silverado ZR2 on some of the toughest desert courses in the country and
Oh, so they're out there
leveraging what
doing the
we've
old
learned
Baja.
as we developed this new truck.
Doing
Its
something.
off-road capabilities are truly confidence-inspiring. Our collaboration with Chad Hall Racing has been great. And we now
I love how he's
have
whipping a
portfolio
full
of
trimmed
off-road
out truck
trucks
through the desert. It's
and
not like
motorsports parts and accessories
is
developed
that?
on the track and available to customers looking for an authentic off-road experience. We
Is it
have
like
a
a reservoir?
philosophy when it
Yeah, I
comes
don't
to
know. You
motorsports.
say that word funny.
Race what you
Reservoir?
sell
Reservoir.
and sell what you race. The ZR2
Interesting.
race truck
Anyway.
and the production ZR2 share most major chassis and drivetrain components, including the frame,
That was a train horn.
transmission, transfer case, and of course,
The 6
Chevy's
seater.
legendary 6.2-liter V8
Legendary.
engine.
Legendary.
As a trail runner or a rock crawler, this truck is fantastic. But ZR2 is not just a one-trick pony. After a full week on off-roading, our customers can go to work or take their kids to school on Monday in comfort.
It almost looks to me like
This
it's supposed to
truck
compete with a
handles
Tremor
off-road driving
more than it is.
Yeah.
You know, now I know this is a half ton, but it seems to attack that same market. That's like, hey, go
This
whip your truck on
combination
the
of
weekends,
off-road
but then
performance,
also drive it to work
styling,
Monday
and
through
truck
Friday.
utility
You know,
makes
I like what they did with the
Silverado
bumper
ZR2
here.
a
That,
truly
like,
Oh, that is
that
weird. It
cutout?
looks more aggressive, yeah,
Yeah.
like ADD style almost. Or Raptor,
Damn,
I guess.
yeah,
It's
yeah.
not Raptor style.
beautiful shot.
Yeah.
The sand coming up the side. That's unreal.
Is that a new hood too?
Yeah.
Just for
with the
that,
little
or is it
bumps.
for all of them?
I think it's just that one, from what I can tell.
This ZR2 is impressive. We changed the ZR2 proportions to account for the tough off-road conditions. The front bumper design
Look at that approach
helps us
angle.
increase the angle of approach to 31 degrees.
32 degrees.
Larger
I don't know
tires
if any of
gave
this
us
is
an
cool or
improvement
not,
in
because I know nothing about
departure
off-roading,
and
but it
super cool.
sounds
ground
impressive.
clearance. We increased the wheel travel in both the front and rear to really give this vehicle the freedom to accommodate rough ground. Add in the larger skid plates, and you
Yeah,
have
so
the
it's all the skid
confidence to
plates and
travel over
stuff.
a variety of terrains.
I love that
The
blue.
ZR2 is the second truck in the Chevrolet lineup to feature the multi-mag DSSV dampers. They use spool valves, which are tuned to provide optimal shock control in all driving conditions. For the Silverado ZR2, we
Interesting.
involved the damping system specifically for a full-size truck platform. Silverado ZR2 features a unique
So it's almost like
terrain
Mag
mode with
Ride, where
two-speed
you can, like,
transfer case.
Kind of. It looks
Yeah.
like,
You can
yeah.
use it in
Two-speed
4
transfer
high
case,
on
let's
uneven roads and
go.
hills, but what's really awesome is using it in 4 low for rock crawling.
Like how these guys are rock crawling a factory truck out
Yeah,
here right
that's
now.
so like weird to see.
Just
With one
mobbing
pedal
it.
driving, as soon as the driver backs off the gas pedal, the vehicle actively begins to slow down. When engaged, while the vehicle's in 4 low, one pedal driving
Did you catch that?
will cause the vehicle to
It
slow
slows
to a
down as you
complete
let off
stop
Yeah, so
when the
basically
driver takes the
it
foot off
acts
the
as
gas.
a gas
This
brake.
feature,
Yeah.
So that way when
in
you're
turn,
rock
highly
crawling, you can just
technical
let
and
off and it'll
complicated
Instead of
naturally slow
mashing
you
into
down.
it, yeah.
Correct,
confident
yep.
control maneuver.
Which is like, again, it's probably not as good as a full-on off-road rig, but for the guys that are just looking to whip their stuff on the weekends, it's perfect.
And be functional. I mean, look at what it's doing right now. That's still more aggressive than a lot of anything I would ever try to
It's more than my truck's ever seen, you know?
It's got electronic locks, too,
Yep.
right there. You know, I don't think, other than like the Colorado ZR2, which is apparently big in Australia, but no
Dude,
one
I
gives a
can't
shit
believe you
about
don't know the
Australia.
ZR2.
I know about
Whatever, dude.
I've
Why
never
do I
seen
even
it in
like
person.
you?
I'm just
Okay,
saying.
all right, whatever.
And out in the
But
field with
the fact that
customers
Chevy's
on
getting into this
highways,
market, I
rural
don't know if they're
roads,
feeling
and
pressure
off-road
from
trails.
Ford with the
And
Bronco
it's the
and their
feedback
GOAT
we've
modes and the
received that
9
inspired
Maybe,
go over
yeah.
the terrain
Yeah.
around the
and the
22
TRX, and so they're
Silverado.
realizing there's a space
No
that they were missing out on.
I don't
I don't
hate it.
know.
We set out to give customers a wider range of choices and at the same time elevate Silverado's design from the inside out. We've enhanced the design of the Silverado's exterior to give it a more
Do
premium
they
look.
all have the DRLs now?
Every trim
hope so.
Yeah,
features
LT.
a new front
Yep.
fascia, which emphasizes the truck's
Yeah, the grill
stability
looks
and
like it's a little
strength
bit
with a
different.
wide planted stance. On LT trim and above, daytime running
At
LT
LT
have
and
been
above, okay.
programmed
Isn't
with
LT a
unique
base model?
animation
No,
sequences.
Oh,
custom
because
is
they're
the
work
base
truck?
And
model,
the
right?
available fog lamps
Yeah.
have a new design that lends a contemporary look.
Oh.
We gave the truck a unique, bold front end. The front bumper has a cutaway design that gives the ZR2 a better approach angle, especially on the corners.
I dig that the Chevy emblem
The
is hollow,
sculpted
by the way. I
steel
don't know if you
bumper
caught
I
that.
and
saw it
integrated
through a
skid
shot
plate
of
Yeah.
video
prioritize
that they had.
durability and
It's
repairability.
interesting.
A camera integrated into the grille helps the driver view the terrain on technical maneuvers. And the substantial
So
wheel
you can
flares
literally
give the
see
truck
what you
a
can't
rugged
see in front of
appearance
you.
while helping to protect
Okay.
the sheet metal from flying debris.
The big story is inside. We completely reimagined the interior on LT trims and above.
Look
we
at
made
that high
them feel more
country.
Yeah, it
spacious
looks
and more
beautiful.
premium.
Ooh.
The center stack is canted toward the driver to make things more accessible.
That's it.
And we
I don't
created
know.
a series
So
of
okay, so the
horizontal
screen is
lines
cool, right? It
and
looks
float
really good.
elements that
But
add
I
a
don't know if that's
spacious
enough
and
to compete in the
streamlined
market.
You want it taller, like the
I
Ram
just,
had?
I'm not saying that that's. I think this is
13.4
perfect for
inch
me
diagonal
personally. I think it
Oh, I
looks
see.
really good.
Paired
but
with the touchscreen is
with
a
Ram doing a
12.3-inch
13-inch
digital instrument
vertical
Yeah.
display,
Together,
I
they
don't know
provide
that this is
almost
enough to
panoramic
stand,
access
you know,
to
to
all
stand
the
out.
vital vehicle information
The clock
and
thing is
infotainment
cool,
options.
you know, that it's like a
We
digital
intentionally
analog
designed
clock.
open storage
We live in a world where
compartments in
it's
the
digital
console.
analog, you
The
know?
next
Literally.
one appended to an electronic shift, which is included on
I don't know if I
trucks
like
with
the shift
bucket
lever.
seats.
Yeah. I just still feel
Our
like it's
goal
weird
was
for a
to
truck to
create
have a shift
premium
lever.
Here?
interior
Yeah.
marked by
Unless it's a
materials that
manual,
are
I
easy
feel
to
like it
wipe
shouldn't-
down after a long day on the trail. And
Well, I
as
mean,
an off-roader
together both of us
myself,
don't have a
I know
vehicle
how
that's
these
newer
trucks are
than
used.
2007.
The ZR2
Also
not only
fair.
looks like a great off-roader, it functions like one too. The Greystone soft trim, paired with a jet black
The
environment
perforated leather
and
looks nice.
technical
Yeah, it does.
decor, communicating no
Perforated?
nonsense,
Perforated?
ready for anything attitude.
What's the difference?
In the
I don't know,
aggressive
actually.
side
I'm
views,
asking.
prominent shoulder pads, and unique
I
seat
love that it's
patterns
bolstered too, so you
are
can
a
tell
nod to
here the
the
side of
awesome
that seat's
performance
got a lot of
the
bolster
ZR2
to it, which is
capable of.
You don't see
The
that a
new
lot in truck
Silverado
seats. It's
interior
a lot
is
in car
loaded with
seats.
surprises.
Not-
Is that just in the
not
RST or was that for
experience.
all of them?
And
That I
nowhere is
didn't
this more
catch.
evident, perhaps, than in the Silverado
I think it was
High
the
Country.
or the ZR2.
As our most premium option, the High Country's console,
Wood
glove
trim on
box,
the High
and
Countries.
doors are trimmed with real
Real
open
open
pore wood.
pore wood. Okay.
The premium Bose performance speakers feature large stainless steel grills. A unique wingtip perforation runs the full length of the seat and into the leather on the console. It has a special
Interesting.
touch
Yeah,
of
yeah. I like
quality
that.
and
Little
craftsmanship.
details.
The embroidered headrest, the piping, and bold
That's
color
cool.
options
The
put
piping.
the High Country in its own league.
The
This
new
thing's
Chevy
neat.
Silverado interior is designed around the user experience, including the ways our customers interact with technology. We want our customers to move from their lives into the Silverado and back to their lives seamlessly.
Humanized mobility means integrating technology intuitively, and I believe it is a huge differentiator for Silverado. Even before starting the vehicle, we thought about the experience.
They
As
sound like
soon as the
Apple.
customer
Yeah,
gets behind the wheel,
it's
we
interesting
bring
how much
light
their
onto the
their
display.
messaging has changed.
It's
on
a
the,
much more
the new
beautiful
trucks.
and engaging experience than a static display. And it's a gentle and
cool.
intuitive reminder
Jeez.
that the technology is there working for the
So
customer.
the dash is
we have
like
one of the
Yeah, they
line
like
up
work
almost?
together.
truck
Yeah, yeah,
market,
because
and we
the
offer a
gauge cluster is
completely
also all
reconfigurable
digital.
instrument cluster as standard on LT trims
So on
and
LT
above.
and above, yeah.
With Silverado, there's a cluster designed for everyone.
And they're customizable.
Available on most
That's kinda
trims,
cool.
Yeah.
Chevy with Google built-in compatibility works
I'm surprised it's not a
alongside
bigger
Android
thing,
Auto
but considering a
and Apple
touchscreen is just a
CarPlay
glorified
to offer a
tablet.
level
Yeah,
of
so you can
customized
lay it out
tablet
however you
like-
want to,
flexibility
right?
that hasn't existed before. And customers can do more with voice commands.
You know what'd be weird is in
meaning
10 years
hands
from now
stay
when
on
this
the
is dated
wheel
technology.
and eyes stay
Right
on
now this
the
is like
road.
the future.
Yeah.
Great
10 years
user
from now it's gonna be
experience
like,
design
oh,
is
you
an
got that?
enabler
Wow,
to
you
help
can only
customers
pick
do
Yeah.
anything
gauge
they want.
faces.
Yeah.
Whether it's
What is
navigating
this,
to a
2021?
location, finding their favorite song or podcast, or hooking the truck up to a trailer. We look for creative and thoughtful ways to organize and scale all of that information so that it's useful for everyone.
Trailer towing is often a difficult
I didn't
task.
realize there was a lady talking
We
now, and I was
worked
really
hard
confused
to provide
because it
trailering
was the
features
guy
that
talking
are easy
before.
to use
I was like, what in the
every
world?
step of the way. The system walks customers through the steps to connect a trailer, helping to ensure everything is connected
Wow,
and the
okay.
lights and brakes work properly. The system can also provide warnings if parts of the hitching process have gone wrong. On High Country trim, we also offer Super Cruise hands-free driver assistance
What is
technology,
this?
which comprehends the additional mass of the
So this
trailer,
must use all of the
adjusting
cameras and
speed
like
through curves or the following distance behind another vehicle.
You see that?
Trying to gauge the length of a trailer relative to car in the next lane can be tricky. To help,
That's
we
neat.
have enhanced side
Yeah,
blind
you've
zone
got that
alert
blind
to
spot
account
with
for
the
the
trailer.
length of the trailer.
wow.
It'd be interesting to see
Plus,
how that
our
behaves
camera
with
views are
bigger
enhanced
trailers.
by
Yeah.
the
So like
larger
he's towing on a
13.4
60.
inch
Well,
diameter.
is this only the
But-
1500s though?
Safety
I'm
is
assuming
built into
2500s don't change for a couple
Silverado
years.
That's true. Yeah, so you're not
Chevy
gonna put a
Safety
35
Assist
foot
is a
behind
suite of
a. I guess
Some
you,
people might.
You
standard
could. I've
active
seen it
safety
done. I wouldn't
features
recommend it
available
though.
At all trims. The 22 Silverado systems are capable of receiving updates over the air, keeping the truck fresh.
The headlights
with
do
the
look a little
latest
different
available
shape.
Yep, they definitely
technology
are. They changed them
long
up just
after
a
it's
little
driven
bit.
off the dealership
I
lot.
think that this little grill
Under the hood,
on the
we
side
have
there
news
is
to
changed
share
up a
on
little
the
bit too.
2.7-liter turbo. It's just
2.7
one
liter
of
turbo.
a family of
Is
tried
that the
and true
same
truck engines.
2.6?
So here, so
okay.
they're
Upgrades make it
making
a
the
leader in its
3-liter
own right,
baby Duramax,
especially
the
if you're a
5.3
fan of
V8,
its
the
key
6.2
attributes.
V8, the 5.3
Low-end torque.
V8 with a 10
At an
speed versus an
estimated
8 speed.
420
And now they're
pound-feet,
making
2.7
an
turbo
EcoBoost
sets the bar
essentially,
for
a
more
2.7
With an
liter
8
Chevy
turbo.
base engine in its class.
I spent the majority
It
of my
says high
career as
output.
a small block engineer.
They didn't
and
tell
I
us that
still
yet,
work with
Banker.
V8s. I love the small block
420
engine, and I
pound-feet
was
of
surprised
torque.
at how much torque was available on this engine, especially
Okay.
so early in the RPM range. It's very exciting. Historically, a customer who tows a boat to the marina or pulls a camper or a race car to the track would default to a V8. Now our customers have a choice. They can have power, durability, and great efficiency in an engine that's half the size.
310
The
horses.
2.7 liters
And
impressive
420
torque is
foot-pounds.
enabled
That's
by its strength
respectable
and
for a little,
durability. And now it's
a
even
little
stronger.
itty bitty.
We stiffen the crank by
turbo
30%,
engine like that.
and we've employed
it's respectable
proven
enough.
turbo diesel design techniques for many of the components throughout the engine. We added a kilogram of aluminum to the block in the form of additional ribbing,
So
and
beef the
stiffening
crank
and
up.
strengthening the engine has allowed us to crank up the output and make it smoother and quieter
It's an
at the same
I-4.
time.
Is
Another
it?
enabler
Oh,
is
yeah.
adaptive
There
thermal
it is.
management
Okay,
technology
interesting.
that gives
An
this
inline
engine targeted
four-cylinder,
heating and cooling
2.7 liter
capabilities to ensure
turbo
optimum engine temperature.
gas engine.
If truck
Whether it's
guys
cooling
weren't
a long
mad enough
way
already
or
that
passing
people
a
are running
big rig on the
V6s instead of
highway,
V8s,
They're
now
gonna be mad. An
inline
i4
fours are what
confidently.
pickup trucks are going to be running.
But it's gonna be cool. I know that you get
People
this
still
because
hate the EcoBoost though, and it's been out for how
you
long?
get this because you're also kind of a car guy, right? A 2.7 i4 with a turbo is gonna be freaking awesome.
Yeah.
The 2.7 turbo is
300 and some odd
quieter,
horsepower,
more
420
durable,
foot-pounds
and
of
more
torque.
efficient
Sign
than
me
ever.
up.
It's a true
Well,
standout
could you
in the
imagine
industry,
something
and
like
we
that
believe it
turning into like a
redefines what this
lowered
engine is
street
all
truck type of thing and like
Yeah.
beefing up the
Today,
engine? It'd be
we're
kind of
one
cool.
step closer in our pursuit
You're gonna
of
see that
offering
again.
every
That's gonna
customer
fill
a
that
truck
market
with the
where
look, features, and
you
price
have a
point
guy
they
that
need.
drives 30
On the
miles on the way
outside,
to work.
I wonder if the
Still
gas mileage
wants
is
to
going to be
control
in.
his boat
emphasizes
on
the
the
truck
weekends,
stance.
you know.
Capable of both.
Inside is an exciting new interior that feels roomier and more premium, with larger screens and new materials. New, intuitive,
Cool.
Still got
easy-to-use
the-
technology.
Yeah, you can pause it, I think.
Yeah, this is all the wrap up.
Yep.
So give me your honest feedback on this thing. What do you really think about this?
So I am a little underwhelmed. I thought that it was going to be a whole redo again, almost like when they went from 16 body style to 19 body style.
Yep, correct. Yep, when they made that switch.
This is barely different, but Chevy likes to do that. They went from their 14-15 body style to their
16,
16-18.
17, 18,
Yes. And they just do dumb little stuff like that. That's just what they do.
Yeah, they're the king of like half body style changes.
Yes.
You know. Yeah.
Well, look at your cat eye. Perfect example.
Yep, correct.
But I think a lot of the small stuff they're kind of perfecting, which is neat. So that's what Chevy will do, right? Is they'll take that second half of that body style and focus on some of the other stuff with
Correct.
it. And I think that's kind of what they did. It's cool that they have their ZR2 as a Silverado now.
Yeah.
I think that's going to be super neat to see. And I think a lot of people will pick that up because they want a big engine. They want it to be capable.
Correct.
You see those tremors. I'm seeing them a lot more than I thought.
Yeah, they're all over the place.
They just
which
popped
is
up out of
wild.
nowhere. And like even like Dodge keeps putting high horsepower engines in everything and everyone wants them. So I think this is a good move for Chevy to have that big beefy off-road all-purpose truck because it's big.
Yeah, it's cool. I dig them. I was a little bit underwhelmed as well, I think, just with the visual differences. Again,
Yeah.
I was expecting a little bit more of a complete change. It was more of a refresh.
Yep.
But I think that
I
like
think it's
you
cleaner
said,
though. I like it better than the early.
I do. Yep. I
body style
definitely
or
do. I'm
other body
excited
style?
to see these in if they carry the styling to the HD trucks. I'm
Yep.
excited to see that new front end on the HD trucks. I think it'll look fantastic. But
Yeah, because for the previous body style, the 14-ish area, they never changed that facelift, right? They kept it the same throughout that whole body style.
Correct.
And then the new body style, which is last year's body style,
yeah, so
2020,
it's the 20s, right?
is
because
actually
the 19s was
different
the half tons.
than
Yep.
the 1500s,
Yep.
which is kind of weird.
Yeah, it's cool, but it takes styling cues, right? So I'm hoping it does the same thing
Yeah.
this go around. But I think it's cool. I think the ZR2 is cool. I think that 2.7 i4 is pretty freaking cool. I know I'm probably gonna get a lot of hate for that, but I
think for
it's
as much
neat.
shit as people are going to talk about it, it's going to be one of those engines that
Yeah.
like ends up out there. Like whoever's talking shit, your dad 2 years from now is probably going to have
Is gonna
that
buy
2.7.
one.
Like it's just going to happen.
Exactly.
It's like the EcoBoost. Everyone talks shit about them, but they know somebody who owns one and they have no
Yeah.
problems with it unless it's an early gen one and they have timing.
Well, okay,
changes.
listen, we're not gonna talk about that. All right, guys, that's it. Let us know what you guys think about the new Silverado down in the comments below. What are you doing?
No, you got. We need light.
Oh, okay. Let us know what you guys think. I'm gonna burn my beard. Let us know what you guys think about the new Silverado in the comments down below. And remember, if you need wheels, tires, or suspension, you can find those all at CustomOffsets.com.
I don't have a beard. Subscribe, youtube.com, Custom Offsets TV. Peace.
Peace.